Introducing Craftiviti's Perfect Pour USA Soy Wax. Why we call it Perfect Pour? Because it is just one pour, perfect finished candles. Here are the benefits of our Perfect Pour Soy Wax. We've done so many research, so many soy waxes, and this one, we tell you, is one of the best we've ever tried. Now, number one for this soy wax is that it's got zero cooling time, which means you don't have to watch temperature at all. When you melt the wax, you pour the fragrance oils, and when you pour it into the jars, you don't need to be worried about temperature. It's not temperature sensitive, and it's perfect every pour. Number two, it speeds up your candle making process because, again, you don't need to watch the temperature. You don't need to wait for the temperature to drop. You can just melt it down and pour it immediately. Number three, it has very fast cooling down time, which means you don't need to wait hours for it to cool down. It has really good and fast cooling down time. Number four, it is a one pour soy wax, which means melt down, one pour, you don't need to remelt the surface pours perfectly and smoothly. Number five, this soy wax is microwaveable and it is stable even when you microwave it. And even after microwaving, number six, you have smooth surfaces and smooth candle tops every single pour. Number seven, it has very good scent and color retention. Number eight, Perfect Pour Soy Wax has very strong, very good hot and cold central. This means that when the candle is not lit and when the candle is lit, the central and the fragrance throw for this wax is very good and very strong. Number nine, you don't have to preheat your jars. Your jars don't need to be hot. You can pour the candle wax directly into a cold jar and it will still come out perfect. Number 10, it has no or very low soot. Now, soot depends on the fragrance you use, the colorings you have in your candle wax, but on its own, this candle wax has very low carbon deposits and soot. Quick summary of this soy wax, how to use it: just melt it, add your fragrances and your colorants, and pour. It is that simple. Give it a try. Thank you very much.